Number 24.
Alam mo ba tayong ano? Kahit pamunas man lang sana, nakapasa kami sa court.
Ale! Ajay! Aso yun ang map natin. Mapakli ko.
Naman, magpo-post mo na ako. Live ako. Start na sila.
Cash Nitro.
Running time, first to third quarter.
Dito na ata.
Awarding.
Okay, no no problem.
Game time!
Dala ka pa talagang pansit, ha?
Ano oras to? After nito may isang game pa. Ah, okay.
Uy!
Uy!
Ganda na paano. Oh.
Tapik lang, tapik.
Same ball. Yellow ball. Tumatakbo si number 1. Oh, steal by number 24. Pinasa pa. Blanca. Number 1. Matang kay laban. Foul. Foul number 26. Foul number 26. First personal foul. Number 17, titira ng tres. No good. Siya naman daw, in and out. Oh! Okay lang. Naman yun. Number 8.
Ilan na pinulikat sa green, eh. Wala na yata lalaro sa green.
Number 1.
Bike! Out
Oh,
yan!
yeah. Number 17, 3 points. Wow. Mainit pa talaga. 3-2 in favor of MORS. Number 12. Number 12. To number 26. 3-4. All-Star lead by 2.
Kaya mo yun. Tabi ka din, tabi ka mamaya. JM. Uy,
Number
kumakain
1.
ka dyan.
Number 17. Tumira ulit. Favorite spot. 6-5. Number 17. 3 points. Number 12. Number 24. Tumaksak. No good. Number 22. Push daw, push. Number 17 again. No good. Six-5 in favor of FORS. Number 24. Oh, yeah. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. 26. Oh, good.
Hey, Mike! 17! Right!
Gopia.
Jaguar na
Oh,
Jaguar. Jaguar na Jaguar. Ay!
Foul. Foul. Foul number 22. Yung aircon daw nakapatay.
Patay ba?
Foul number 22.
Hey, Mike! Usap kayo sa 17. Hey, usap kayo ni Mike sa 17.
All 6. 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Ano, Jonas, ano nangyari
Be ready
sa
for the
race?
second 5.
Nasa nanalo tayo na to? Yung champion pa si Jeff.
Number 17, tumira ulit. Short.
Nice D!
Twenty-four, pass 2. No good. Oops. Number 1. Nice stealan. Number 24. There you go.
Ay, nako, kulang pa sa
Second
net.
five. Second five, please. We need a second five.
Nice, nice, nice.
Nice one, nice one. Good
5
job, good
minutes
job,
and
good
30
job.
seconds.
Nice
Blue
one,
and white
nice
game,
one,
all
nice
six.
one. Oo, yung mananalo.
Number 30,
Green,
green
yung
discarded.
green. Green.
Oh, yeah, mani popcorn. Foul. Foul number 5. 25, sorry, 25. Foul number 25. First count. Second basket. Ayan na. Kuya, yung aircon. Number 30. Ginato.
Backing, backing. Nice.
Wow! Jomar!
Ole.
Master Jomar!
Number 18. Pass to number 12. Ginota. Number 25. Rebound. Yellow ball. Yellow ball. 3 minutes and 4
Naliliksi ng
seconds.
mga bata, ano?
Steal by number 8. Number 3 pala. Number 3. Oh. Ay, tara. Ah, foul. Foul daw. Foul number 18. Foul number 18. No good. No good again. All 8. Two minutes and 35 seconds. 8-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. Tumira.
Tama.
Yellow ball. Team ball. Timeout. All-star. Black ball. Black timeout, sorry. Black timeout.
O, Jem, paloy mo na yung pat nila. Sir, basic, sir. Bilis naman.
Sana, uwi na nga yung green. Malamang, ito na championship ulit.
Nasaan na yung green?
Number 18. Pass to number 13.
Kung wala na yung green, default, champion na sila.
Champion ang mananalo dyan.
Kaya. Hindi, lalaban sila
Sino
ulit.
laban pa yata, ha?
Hindi. Pag mo na may nanalo dyan, tapos default yung champion na ito.
Number 18.
Ah.
2-point lead.
Yung RPCC. Front Office Resident Solutions. Kaya FORS. FORS na sila ngayon eh. Kasi parehong kay Clark.
Yellow ball.
Under rin sa iyo?
A minute and 25 seconds. 8-10 in favor of FOR.
Nakulak ko pala FORS.
Foul. Foul number 13. Foul number 13. Steal by FORS number 18. Reverse shot. Yun lang. Sayang.
Ay,
8 seconds. Violation. 8 seconds. Violation. 42 seconds. 38 seconds. Three points. No good. Black ball. 24 seconds. 24 seconds. Foul. Number 12. 8-10. 14 seconds. Last
Yan,
two
go
seconds.
Nani.
mas makakakababa ka lang pag nanonood ka lang. Naglalaro ka. Pag player out, yung una ka ba?
One foul. Number 18. Number 13. Same ball. 2-1. End of first quarter.
Nice, nice.
Ganda, ganda. Ay, thank you everyone for being also sports
Number
today.
24. Number 19. Number 29. 26. Sorry, 26. 11-10.
Nice team! Wala! Wala Hey, 17! 17! 17! Nice team! Nice team!
Number 1. Pass to. Oh,
Dalawa sila! Nice, nice!
black ball. All-star. Again, this is committee timeout. Committee timeout.
Black ball.
Committee timeout. Game time. Yellow team. Oh, naipit. Rebound by number 15. Number 52. 13-12. Oh! Wag mo ba tuwing sa ulo? Number 1. Batang may laban. Oh,
Salamat naman.
foul number
Dumating na yung tumbler.
19. Number 19 foul.
Ka. Doon ka. Andun, dito ka.
Number 17. Pass to number 31. Uy! Nothing but the list.
Awak bola, counter.
Pass to number 19. 2 points. 2 points only. 15-2 in favor of Number 19 again. Pumasa. Uli. Oops. Foul. Who's back? 24.
Nakatigil sila lahat. Hey, hanap sa 17.
Samira, si number 17, no good. Rebound by number 41. Easy lang daw, easy. Number 24. 7 minutes remaining. Samira ng 3, no good. Rebound by number 31. Number 17. Samira ng 3, no good. Short. Number 26. All-Star, number 19. Uy! Pinatawan. Number
Jaguar
19,
yan.
2 points. 17-12. 5-point lead.
Champion na tayo.
Timeout. Timeout. All-Star. Black team. Timeout. All-Star. 17-12 in favor of All-Star. 5 points.
Ayun, coach nyo. Ayun yung coach nyo, si Archie. Nandito yung coach. Coach. RV. Si RV.
Game time.
Hindi ko andito yun.
17-12 in favor of All-Star.
Ayun yung coach.
Championship game.
Ayun nga yung coach.
Championship game.
Bukas ba ito o sarado?
Ano nangyari sa default?
Uwi na.
Default.
Magme-mute lang ako.
Pero hindi na sa default.
Ha? Default na. Ito na yung
Foul number
champion.
41.
Ayun yung
Foul
coach
number
niya.
41.
Gusto
6
niya
minutes.
magpa-coach dito. Mayos kayo.
First
Saan
basket.
nakapag-point?
Sa baba daw.
Second basket. Yes, good.
Paglipat-lipat din tayo.
17-43
Lipat tayo doon mamaya. Ito na pala.
Basket number 24.
Ito pala.
Babantayan number 1. Number 26. Basket number 24. Samira.
Ay, ganda nun! Good job!
2014.
Nice, ayan yung nasabi ko. Pauwi mo yun. Echo!
Number 24. Whoop.
Oy!
Sab. Ano ba sab pala? Sab. First.
Yun o, si Ryan o,
Second.
fresh na
Five.
fresh. Fresh na fresh. Si Ryan. Hindi ba naglalaro yan eh? Oh, grabe. Oh, nadi!
Pati si...
4 minutes and 50 seconds. Running time. Yellow ball. Pass to number 13. Samira. Oh, sabaksak. Good lang, good. Kuya go. Tumira.
Go, Jamar! Good job!
Number,
Good job, Pastor. Ha?
number 18. Pass to number
Hindi,
22. Number 18 again. 10 second shot clock. 8 seconds. Follow up. No good. Whoop, running. Foul. Lucky foul. Number 2. Foul number 8.
May replay ako dito. Kung naku, ang init na ng cellphone ko.
Kasi gamit mo naka-charge.
Kaya mo, rubati.
Lagyan mo na ito.
Traveling violation number 8. 22-40. 8-point lead by All Star.
Third sana tayo doon sa Samples.
Ay,
Number 13. Number
kailan tayo?
22.
Last, choknut.
Number 13. 2 point. 6-point lead. All Star. Number 3. Pass to Buya.
Oy, oy, oy!
Samira. Short.
Siga pa natin yan.
Number 22. Nice pass. Nakita
Alexi
lang,
talaga ni Winko.
4-point lead. 3 seconds. Violation. Yellow ball.
Ay, ikaw nag-post.
May sila, mga one line.
Number 13. Crossover. Pumasa. Mr. Extra Rise.
Ano?
Number
Marks
26.
for ano?
2 points.
Short, short. Short, closing remarks.
Good start there. Shooting foul. Number 26 foul.
Company sport. Para mas pwede na naman.
Short.
May silang. Wala kang sure. Ayun nga ba naman? Would you like a few
How about you?
variation? Formal, more energetic. Ito emotional. Nag-away ako.
20 to 20, a minute and 25 seconds. Number 13. Samira.
What an
3 points.
Ano sabi niya?
Lead by MRS.
Short lane. Ilagay mo, short lane.
Mahuli. Steal.
Ayan, yan, yan. Pwede na yan. Hindi ko na binosa, pero pwede.
A minute.
What an
15
incredible!
second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Samira. Short. Rebound. Oh,
Ay, Ryan, ano yan?
yellow ball. Tumama sa panga. Yellow ball.
Pala hindi ako nag-comment dito kasi manonood siya.
Number 13.
Guys, if you are watching, I'm gonna say sorry if I said something
Number 20.
offensive.
5.
Sorry na. Ito kasi yun yung
Number 25
kasalanan.
now.
What an amazing day. Real game. Ay, lamang pala sila. Oh. Saan tayo mag-share?
Pass to number 3. Number 6.
Pasok mo.
Reset backward. Reset password for 2. Kinato.
Wala na.
And on second quarter. Half time. Wala ba raw mag-number 4?
Meron tayong guest.
Wala ba raw mag-number 4 half time?
May guest tayo. Ayun o. From ano?
Okay, so mabilisan na po ay hawak-hawak.
Ay, may raffle pa pala.
Abo, let's go! Sheila May, Renvillo, Payo! Kathleen Campujan! When you hear your name, punta na lang dito. Oh, Alvin! It's just support. Isa lang yan. Nasaan si Alvin? Umuwi na, sayang. Andrew Constantino. Ano pa? Andrew Constantino. Jam Ramos.
Ha?
Toby Perez. Flor Lantesa. Bernadette Palmones are still here. Fatima Bulagala. Mamaya may mga kiselect na tayo papamigay. Kapag umabot siya in 30 seconds. Joel Del Mundo Marina. Viancy Barredo. Diba? Taas pa rin energy. Keith Manlapos.
Ay, nandyan siya.
Stephanie Ann Sarmiento. Business Services. Kimberly Mortos.
Yung nakita natin.
Ray Songlao. Justin Claire Silion. Randolph Agustin. I'm so sorry.
Oh, umuwi na. Andiyan pa si RJ. Ikaw.
Nagpakwa ba tayo? Anong oras ba balik? Ilang minutes pa ba? Okay, game. Let's go back to our game. Internet.
Lipat na tayo.
Nine minutes and 40 seconds. 26, 24. Pass to number 12. Number 26. Number 24.
Ay,
Score. Number 1. Whoop. Traveling
tayo
violation.
para safe. Stop ko.
Foul.
Foul number 19.
Number 13, free throw for...
Foul number 19. Tinatayo ang person.
Okay.
Okay ba yung sinina? Hindi ko na binasa. Binasa ko lang yung una. Maganda. Parang maganda.
More of congratulations.
Okay na yan. Energetic, tas wala na. Emotional na kaya. Energetic, tas wala
Oh.
Ha?
Ipinasa sa akin ang bola, pero hindi ako kasali, kaya
Adi. So 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Unable to reset the password kanina. Number 41. Pinilit. Ang lakas. Oh, yeah. Number 24. Traveling violation. Number 13.
in-rest.
All good? Pinasa na naman kay
Pinasa
Toby.
na naman sa akin ang bola, hindi po ako kasali.
Shoot mo kasi Toby. Shoot mo kasi Toby.
Nakayalo din kasi ako pala, oo nga.
Ito po.
Nako.
Pinatrap. Oh.
Oh, in your face.
Bola na all-star.
Time out. Time out. MORST. Inabot yata sa tuhod. 26-25 in favor of All-Star. All-Star.
Sana yung ladies, hindi naman nag-teach.
All-Star?
Hindi sila nagsabi.
All-Star.
Wala lang nag-cheat.
Hala, may sinasabi siya, all-star daw.
Wala po all-star daw.
Ano yan?
Yan.
All-Star. Not All-Star. All-Star. $26-25 in favor of All-Star. Black ball. Number 3. Go.
Escalona ba yun? Escalona, akala ko yung...
29-25.
Ang ganda.
Rebound by number 31. Binabas na. Number 15, again. 2-point. 2-point lead by All-Star. Number 3, tumatakbo. Oh, yeah.
Siyan.
Number 3.
Siyan.
Kinatrap. Samira. Samira. Sorry na for door. Number 1, Batang May Laban. Hinasa. 3-point. No good. Yellow ball. 29-97. 2-point lead. Nice pass. Oh, foul yun. Kitang-kita. Foul.
Alright.
Foul number 19. Ah, ano ba? May umaamin. 19, tama nga.
19. Free throw ulit.
Third personal foul, number 19. Third personal foul, number 19.
Stop.
Substitution. Good. Sorry. What's the number 19? Number 19, the long hair.
Sino bang ano?
Kanira. Number 3. Number 17, tumira.
No good. Alright.
Hoy! Tumira si number 1. No good.
Out.
Official score at 29-28. Official score 29-28. Time out.
Ay, papasok si Jonas. Jonas, pasok ha.
Official score at 29-28.
Kaya binabantayan nila may isip. Reset ba tayo? Tatla? 24?
Congratulations na guys! Tapos ka naman. Ito na pala. Chris daw papasok sa championship.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Third quarter.
Ayun na.
All-Star up by 1. Steal.
Naku na, isang ka. Eli.
Nice. 2 points by number 30, yun lang. Isa.
Go, Jaman!
4 minutes.
Saan ba
Same
saan
ball.
nagpipicture? Ang ganda sana ng picture niya.
Substitution. Sub. Pinapulikat. Maangat. Tumira.
Sino? Doon siya nagpipicture.
29-30.
Not doon siya sa ilalim ng ring.
Number 12. Pass to... Oh!
Ay,
Lumipat doon ah. 3
Yes,
points.
my Lord.
Number 20. Reset password.
Okay, medic na po. Medic daw, please.
Number 15. Number 31. Foul.
Sir Rowling, pasuyo po ng medic dyan.
Number 6. Reset password.
Late yung announcer. Pakipalitan.
Foul number 6. Reset password. 32-30 in favor of All-Star. Foul again. Number 6. Second personal foul. Second personal foul. Number 6. A second professional foul daw sabi ni Kobe. Number 15. 1 point lead by All-Star. Number 3. There you go. Tumira ulit na 3 points. Wow!
Ang galing ni Michael.
Number 26. Bumawi. Bumawi.
Yes,
Number 73 points.
amazing.
1 point lead.
Nagpaturo pa yun, sabi niya. Paano
Number
ba
3
umamit
pass to
na?
number 26.
Escalona to.
Wala kang ticket sa Monday.
38-34.
Dito si Michael.
Number 15, Drumay, foul. Number
Foul.
25.
Number 25.
Penalty, third personal foul. Number 25. Third personal foul, ha? 52 seconds. 50 seconds.
Picture daw tayo sabi nila Coach Kevin.
Ayun.
Kaya ano na.
45
Ay,
seconds.
nakapareho tayo, no?
3-point lead. 34 seconds. Possible. One ball possession. Nice steal.
Nasa force ang bola.
20.
Yun lang.
Foul. Patrick Lee.
Sabi ko, hindi ka pa
Foul to
makakalaman
give.
busy sa office.
Oh.
Penalty situation. Yun lang, mali. Fourth personal foul. Sapal. Sapal. 12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 5. Backcourt violation. End of third quarter.
Third quarter.
Good job, good job, good job. Oh, yung si Bakular. Sabi mo si Pastor. Tama na. Ay, yung video. Ay! 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 Champion tayo! Champion tayo sa Tag of War. Sa Tag of War.
Hindi pa rin tayo tapos.
Championship ng
Tapos na yung
basketball.
basketball.
Ah, ito rin
Nakikita
sila
mo ba?
doon. Ito rin sila doon. Dali na, doon si Pastor.
All-Star 38 tayo. Third quarter.
Third.
This is it. Last quarter.
Ako, isi-share ko yung...
Happy lang.
Ano, cheer.
30-35 in favor of All-Star.
Happy lang yung pop jar.
Mamaya, yung team.
Send ni Madam mamaya.
30-35.
I-record nyo na.
Ano, kumusta?
Championship game. Pass to number 17. Tumira na 3. No good. Rebound by number 22.
Ah, okay.
No good.
Importante si... Customer support
Nakuha.
color.
Short na rin. Di na to. Number 24. Di na ba?
Ito, championship. Kalaban natin,
Number 24. Number 15. Dire-direction. 1 point lead. 30-37 in favor of All-Star. Up by 1. 15-second shot clock.
2:30 daw sila tapos.
Samira.
Ang bilis.
Number 1.
Ay ko sa bahay kasi na...
Ay, sumaksak agad.
Ito kasi...
All good. Oh! Send foul. Kabanggaan. Extra rice, kaka extra burger. Kalpukan.
Extra patty.
Medyo kinakabahan na si Miss Kat dito.
Number 1. Number 15. Oy! Grabe naman yung galawan mo yun. Number 15. Yes! ORS lead by 1 now. Don't defense. All-star ball. 30-39. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Rebound. Number 17. Number 17. Number 22 sa baksak. Number 1, nakuha. Tumira. Ay, foul. Foul number 8. Foul number 8. 14-second shot clock. Samira, number 26. No good. Same ball, same ball. 38-39 in favor of FORS. Number 15, foul by number 8 again. Second personal foul. First shot, good. 38-40. 7 minutes and 42 seconds. No good. Rebound pa din ang yellow team. Samira. No good. Rebound by number 26. No, nagawan. Number 24. Still. Got by number 1. Demi Discarte. Samira. Number 17. No good. Oh, traveling violation. Dribble muna bago takbo. Party. Here are FORS 2-point lead. 7 minutes. Nice shot, Tiger. Time out. Substitution.
Yan, powerhouse na yan, powerhouse. Lomar, Escalona. Hindi, sus, lagyan mo pa ng Jesus. Oh, sabi niya may Jesus pala. Yan, powerhouse. Tatayo ako.
3 points. 3 points by number
Ang daming Jesus sa loob.
41-14. 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Number 1. Sumaksak. Nice. Perfect. Foul number 20. Fourth personal foul, number 25. Fourth personal foul, number 25.
Kala
41,
ko nga hindi
43,
mabubuo.
6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Naku, lamang ng dalawa.
All-Star, tumira ulit. Grabe naman talaga yung
Woohoo!
Pakailan na yun.
ang init ng kamay.
Escalona!
All-Star again up by 1. Number 15 sa baksak. Oh. Samira, third na naman. Number 3 tumatakbo. Foul na foul. Foul number 1. Foul number 1.
Pastor Jomar! Powerhouse si Pastor.
Substitution. Number 3.
Nice!
Si Pastor.
Get by number 3 again. Tumama sa paa. Kitang-kita sa camera. Yellow ball. Yellow ball ni number 1. Number 17 for 3 points. $46-44. Oh, yeah. Foul by number 22. Foul by number 22. Third personal foul.
Gano'n naman talaga.
Steal by number 15. Yakap naman. Foul number 20. Penalty situation. All 48. 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Go, Jama!
80-second shot clock. Number 6.
Uy, Ladi!
Wala.
Yung bangus
Tumakbo na. Okay. Oh. Number 17, tumira ng 3 points. No good.
Nice, nice.
Touched by yellow team. All 48, 3 minutes and 2 seconds.
Sorry.
Flash mo.
Di ko nakita. Ayun.
Go, Jama!
Dumiretso. Namaguerta na yun. 50 up by 2. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 3.
Sige na, mag-leave ka na bukas! Approve!
Time out.
Jama!
Both teams are in penalty situation.
Sila ka
51 lead by or up by 1. All star.
magbabayad ba na extension today?
Two minutes and 35 seconds. Time remaining. 51-50 in favor of All Star.
Mag-mute ako.
Flores,
Mag-mute ako.
there you go.
Nag-video ko.
Pass to number 22. Ay, foul daw. Kita-kita. Number
Pwede replay
6.
ko sa Metro.
Third personal foul, number 6. Foul to give. Oh, penalty pala. Tie again at all 51. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. There we go. Pass to 26. Tumira. Binato. Jump ball. Ball possession by yellow. Ano ba? Oh, yellow ang ball possession.
Gitna mo, Pasto!
2 minutes. And 5 seconds. 8, 5 to shoot.
1 second.
Last 2 minutes. 2. Wala na. End of shift na. A minute and 57 seconds time remaining. All 51. 18 seconds. A minute and 40. Pass by number 1. No good. Rebound by All-Star. Pass to number 3. Bumabush. Foul by number 22. Foul counted. Extra shot for number 3. A minute and 25 seconds.
Tama, nag-SL ka na bukas!
Nice one.
3-point lead. A minute and 35 seconds. A minute and 25 seconds. 1 point lead by All-Star.
Mike, ikaw bumik.
A minute and 17 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot. Hoy! Umangat yung siko. Ay, yung tuhod. Umangat yung tuhod. Number 31 foul. Penalty situation, ref. Warning down. Warning, FRS. Bench.
Sorry lang yan. Yun!
Penalty. Penalty situation.
Pag tumabla pa to, paparapol ko na lang din ng panalo.
A minute and 7 seconds. Time remaining. Up by 1 also.
Sayang di sila nag-stay. Ang ganda ng game. Ang ganda po ng game.
Lamang tayo.
A minute. 17 second shot clock. 15.
Ayun, open na si Mike!
10 second shot clock.
Okay.
Baba raw, baba.
Okay.
Foul number 1. Penalty situation.
Go, Mar, shoot!
Sure lang.
Sige nga, approve na lahat. Approve na.
Mike!
2-point lead.
Babara!
50 seconds. 50 seconds.
Nice.
2-point lead, 2-point lead. 40 seconds, 15 seconds. Shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 4, 3, 2, 4. Good. No good.
Grabe! Sige, 2 seconds. Dalawa lang ang laban. Pero guys, reminder, laro-laro lang.
15 seconds up. Yellow ball. 30 seconds.
Gabi Torres! Gabi Torres na lang! Gabi Torres na lang! Ang gusto ko!
7 seconds. 6, 4, 3, 2,
Alright! What a game!
kinapos na, kinapos. Pagod.
Final score, 58-54, our overall champion for basketball. All-Stars, PH Support IT and Engineering. Everyone, may we call everyone to be here sa court